What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I'm going to tell you what is Tiny 11 and how you can install it on your old computer to run it fast like new with Windows 11 OS installed on it. So Tiny 11 is a stripped down version of Windows 11 that is made by NT-Dev, and this version does not have any requirements, so you can install it on any old computer. It doesn't matter if it has TPM or not, with RAM as low as under 1 GB. So this Tiny 11 is a slimmed down version of Windows 11, and it comes with no clutter, no bloatware, no unwanted files or features that you don't want. One of the best features of this Tiny 11 is that this version of Windows 11 is not going to receive any updates. So if you want to install this on your old computer and don't want any updates to be received on this machine, then this is going to be the best choice for you. So now I'm going to tell you how you can create a bootable drive and how you can install it on your old computer. Okay, so to install the Tiny 11 on your old computer, you're going to need three things. One is the Tiny 11 ISO file. Second is a USB drive, at least 4 gigs of storage. And the third thing is a utility to create a bootable drive with Windows 11. So to download the Tiny 11 ISO file on your computer, there's a link in the description which will give you the torrent file that is going to help you download the Tiny 11 ISO file on torrent. So once you do that, all you have to do is download this free utility called Rufus, and you have to download the portable one. Just click on that. And it's downloaded, and now what you have to do is just click on it. So once you launch this, just click on device and your USB flash drive will be visible here. Just select that one, click on select ISO file, just select, keep the settings as it is and click on OK. Click on OK again, and it will start to create the bootable drive. So there will be some time needed to create the bootable hard drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can install it using a virtual machine. So once the bootable drive is created, all you have to do is just insert this drive to your computer where you want to install the Tiny 11 and turn on that PC. During the turn on, keep on tapping F12 button on the keyboard, so you will reach the boot drive menu, and once you reach there, just select your flash drive and the installation will begin. So once the installation begins, you will see this page right here, just like this. Just click on next. Just click on this checkbox, click on next. Select the hard drive where you want to install, click on next. And just wait for the Windows to be installed on your PC. So once the installation is completed, you will be prompted to restart your device, and once you restart it, you will reach the welcome page of Windows 11, and from there you can set up your new device and use it just like you want. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.